is trying to claim that Hitler said something which is widely known and has easy access. Anybody could see it.
If that is the case, show me the primary source. You won't be able to find a speech, because Hitler never uttered these words. In fact, the only person to attribute the quote to Hitler was John Toland, who published his book in 1976, more than 30 years after Hitler's death. There is not a shred of evidence of Hitler ever saying these words. That was the point of the video. The fact that you are desperate to keep the lie alive shows that you know that actual recorded history is not on your side. As for the rest of your video, clearly a desperate attempt to restart the debate that you already lost.
Your own presented quote bites you in the ass. Hitler did not oppose socialism, he opposed one specific brand of socialism, Marxism. Hitler, in fact, believed that industry should be seized for collective use and that property should be collectivized.
You are a liar. I say this because in our previous interaction I provided mountains of evidence that showed that the Nazis not only believed in private property, but even privatized state-owned industries. Yet this liar still sits there and claims that Hitler wanted the collectivization of industry. You know how I go on about never dignifying dipshits with live debates? Well, this seems just as bad. Esoteric Entity is so immune and impervious to facts, reason, and common sense that no amount of evidence and argumentation will ever convince him to change his moronic views.
And since the German government had complete control of their business, not only in ownership but how they associated, these were not private businesses, and were in fact private businesses in name only.
See what I mean? I already used proper sources in my previous video to show that this claim was a lie. This is the third time that I am showing him this. How will he react? Claimed that I was repeating myself. Of course I was repeating myself, you moron. I had to repeat the points because you, in a dishonest manner, were ignoring them. Well, I certainly won't be showing this information for a fourth time. This fool has shown himself to be impervious to facts and a pathological liar.